Hello diecast collectors. Welcome back to Studio 64. In this episode, we will unbox and showcase for you a new casting from Mini GT. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S electric supercar. Ever since I saw this casting as an upcoming model from Mini GT, I have awaited for its release. Especially this white version. As a collector, it's always nice to get a first version of a casting. Let alone an electric supercar from Porsche. And here it is. At first glance, you'll immediately notice the elegant yet very sleek design of this casting. And since it's a Mini GT, you would also notice the premium feel of it. The wheels of this Porsche Taycan Super S is quite unique. I really like the contrast on it. Plus, it rolls smoothly. A closer look of the side profile shows very subtle detail work. Starting off with the 5-spoke rims, very clean and sharp. The black and white accent is well executed. Plus, the Porsche center cap completes the look. I also like the gray side skirt. Breaks the monotonous white color, and gives the car a sportier look. Oh, I just realized, this casting would have been nicer if they included a yellow brake caliper detail. Moving to the front, the subtle details continue. Headlights are clear plastic lenses. The lateral air intakes is very nicely done. The front black spoiler contrasts really well with the glossy white finish. It also houses a finely detailed grille. The Porsche badge is clean and clear. I do find the wheelbase of this casting a bit long compared to the photos I've seen. What do you think? Moving to the rear, the silhouette of the iconic Porsche design is very evident. And upon closer look, we can see truly fine craftsmanship done by Mini GT. Most evidently is the taillights cluster that stretches from end to end. It's not made of plastic though, but it's painted on with precision. But the rear center garnish is a plastic lens, and even has a Porsche tag in it. The rear black bumper is finely detailed, accented by the red reflectors. And the rear end is topped up by the Taycan Turbo S badge in the center. Interior is all black, and the only distinguishable things to see are these rear speakers and the dashboard. Would have been nice if there were some accents inside. Base is made of metal with some perforation detail. I guess this is how the under chassis of electric cars look like. And there you have it. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S by Mini GT. Another hit from Mini GT if I may say so. A new casting done right. I'll definitely enjoy taking photos of this casting. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do consider subscribing to this channel. Till next time.